now, okay? Anyway, just like I said, good morning to or good day to all of you guys. So thank you so much for watching on um my vlog today. Okay? So today I will show to you how to create your own page. Web page, right? Okay, so I'm gonna create a separate video how to create your own website without paying anything. Okay, but now for today, I will show to you how to create your own web page. Okay, all right. So once you created your own website, so if you're gonna use WordPress, so most of the blogger or the writer using WordPress because it's so easy to use, it's friendly user, and it's so convenient as well. Okay, so first of all, you'll have to create or go to the left pane. Okay, all right. So on your left pane, you will see below the dashboard, field posts, media pages, and okay. So first of all, add new. You'll have to add new pages. Okay, and once you're there, okay, it's gonna load up and alright, we're just waiting. Let this load. Yeah, I'm recommend you guys to edit it with Elementor. Okay, so first of all, if you don't know how to add Elementor, because Elementor is a friendly user, okay, and it's so convenient to use to all of the newbie. All right, so first of all, you'll have to go to settings, since right, go here on plugins. So if you don't have any Elementor yet on your website, go to plugins, okay, and then add new. Then once you add new, okay, you may go here and search plugins. For example, since we do have Elementor, but I will show you guys how. Right, and then you go. Just click it, okay, just like the other app that you're seeing right now. Just click install now, then click activate. Okay, but now since it's active, right? So what we're going to do right now is I'm gonna add another plugin. Okay, all right. This uses is gonna help you guys to improve or to rank your website using Google search. Okay, so just click activate. Yes, this is so necessary when it comes to creating a website if you would like to build up um, traffic to your website. So you might use Yoast. So see, to have here. Then after that, we're gonna do the configuration later on. Okay, but as of now, I showed you guys how to um, get Elementor for us to easily create a web page. Okay, so just go to plugins, just like I said. Once you're in plugins, just click add new, and then once you're there, okay, just search for the plugins that you want to use, just like Elementor, and then click install, and then click activate. Okay, so once we're there, we're going to create a new page or web page. So go here again on pages, okay, then click add new. All right, Once we create, add new. Okay. All right. So you will see here you the edit with Elementor. Just click this one. Okay. Later on, it will be readable. But since we're building up our web page, okay, use SEO are gonna help us to improve our ranking as well on the Google search. Okay, but now we'll have to do edit with Elementor. All right, so there we're back. Okay, so we're here. You will see it's empty, right? So first, so easy to use, just like I said. All you have to do is just drag and drop. Okay, so first you can click add new, but then I'm gonna, all right, just click this plus button, right, and then go to heading. All right, then once we're there, okay, add heading here. Right, there you go. Okay, so there you go. Me at our text here, the lock pane. Okay, title how to create a web page. So if you would like to make it here, okay, okay, you may add here if you would like to do two column, then I would like to do this one, right? So just click add button. You may add an image, all right, and then just click choose image to allow you if you have save files. Okay, I'm gonna use this one instead. So let's do this one. Then click, okay, just 1 second. Just click insert media. Alright, there you go. Then here on the left, right, on the right corner, just click add button. You would like to insert text editor. Add text, right? And you would like to, okay, start. Alright, alright. So there you go. For example, guys, you would like to insert a link, right? Or hyperlink. For example, I would like to add hosting, for example, right? Just 1 second. Here, example, I would like to use hosting for free domain. Okay, okay, and then Okay, at this link. Alright, just copy here, copy, and then if you would like, here you may highlight the word itself and just click the hyperlink icon. And after that, just paste it, then enter. Alright, so you will see the icon here, right, is bold or it's a different color like red. Okay, so if the reader, okay, would like to use your domain name or your hyperlink, or you would like to show them how to um, create or I mean to go to the website for them to lead um, to a website how to do um, just like this one, how to create or a domain name. So if they're going to click this link, right, just like what I did, I choose word domain and then I put the hyperlink here, and then if the if the reader is gonna just just like this, okay. I think we'll have to publish it first. All right, so have a look. I'm gonna open it. Right. So if as you see, we created a website, right, or a web page, and you will see here the picture on the left pane, and then the article. Then if the reader click this link, it will roll on a new page. Let's see. There you go. It has lead to another website, right? But then, if you would like to for them or for you, if you would like to add click button or click icon, you can edit with Elementor. Let's edit again. I think which better gonna close this one. See guys, it's so easy to create a web page, right? But if you would like to add an icon like this, I will show to you guys. Okay? I'm gonna add here. I would like to add button here. Just add button here. I would like to make it on center. Okay? I would like to um, click here or alright. And then if you would like to add a link, just like I said, here and update here. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it looks. And now we added the link. Okay. Alright. On the web page. Alright. So alright. So once you're there on the web page, you will um see, okay, the button that we created, okay, just like this one, right? So if the reader or the viewer is click the button, okay, that we created, since we put some permalink or hyperlink, all right, it will route or it will open a new tab, all right, or the same window as well, all right, it will open the link that we input there, just like this. All right. So that's how we created a web page. All right. So how to put some link. All right. As well, and choose the words. Alright, so thank you so much for watching for our video today. Alright, I hope I help you guys when it comes to creating a new web page. Okay, so stay tuned. Just click the subscribe button. Alright, the like button. Alright, for the next video as well. Alright, and have a good one. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye for now. Stay tuned. Just click the subscribe button. Alright, the like button. Alright, for the next video as well. Alright, and have a good one. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye for now.